Hello there, welcome to your latest Scotland forecast. Well, we're going to see quite a cloudy picture, outbreaks of rain over the next 24 hours or so, perhaps even longer. If we're looking at the bigger picture, low pressures dominating the weather at the moment, various systems moving in from the Atlantic, just keeping an eye on towards the end of the week as some wet and windy weather could spread in from the southwest. For the rest of Easter Monday and overnight, we do have a frontal system which has been slowly tracking northwestwards. It stays in place as we move through the next 12 to 24 hours, giving further spells of rain, particularly in the east. Some of this rain could turn to snow over the higher ground too. You can notice the yellows there, some heavier bursts, but just notice it is dry across the far north and west. Here we could see a few clear spells, and temperatures overnight tonight we're looking at 3 or 4 generally as a low. Towns and cities a little higher than this. So it does mean Tuesday gets off to a rather grey start. Outbreaks of rain across the south and the east. Some of this heavy at times, again falling as snow over the higher ground. Best of the dry, bright weather in the morning towards the Northern Isles and Western Isles. Some glimmers of sunshine from time to time. And it's a case of spot the difference as we move through into the afternoon. Generally staying cloudy as this frontal system stays in place. Quite a keen northerly breeze there across northern Scotland. Some brighter intervals may develop across the borders, but this could trigger a few heavy showers later on. And temperature-wise, if you're stuck under the cloud and rain, it will be quite chilly, 6 or 7 degrees. But any brightness that does develop, temperatures are reaching double figures, 12 or 13 degrees, similar to what we've seen over recent days. Through the evening time, we can see further spells of rain across much of Scotland. Some clearer skies developing later on and overnight across the far south, but generally that weather system still hangs around as we move into Wednesday. It eventually eases, but all eyes to the south as then another weather system starts moving in, bringing spells of rain for southern parts. Best of the brightness continuing to be across parts of the Highlands, some sunny spells here, Northern Isles as well. Generally staying dry and bright with a few showers possible. The wind's still coming in from the east-northeast, so still quite chilly, 4 to 6 Celsius in the north. Some milder air creeping into the south, so just about reaching double figures. So overall Wednesday, a chilly day for most of us. So if you'd like more information on the weather where you are for the next few days and the week ahead, you can find more on our YouTube channel and on our social media channels. See you again soon.